Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my thumbnails using the Apple Photo app and Canva website. The first thing you want to do is take your thumbnail picture and go to the photo app on your MacBook or iPhone. There are a lot of basic filters on the iPhone app that you can use on your thumbnail, as well as color correction. I personally don't use color correction or change saturation. Instead, I just like to use a warm filter and call it a day. To make that popular white outline, a lot of YouTubers, including myself, use first click extensions and then markup. There should be 3 lines on top of the bar. Click the drop down arrow and choose your pen style. You can do dotted lines, pencil lines, or regular lines. I think the last type of marker is to make your lines 3-dimensional, but I'm not too sure because I don't really use it. To be honest, I typically only use the pencil style. Right now, I'm using the pencil marker to draw small accents and outline the objects in my photo. Keep in mind that this does take a lot of patience and practice, especially with tracing curves. But a tip that I like to use is zooming in the photo. I find that doing this makes the outline easier and cleaner to trace, so if you're having trouble, try zooming in. Choose the font that you want to use for your text. Next, click the box with the letter T to create your text box and write your title. Sadly, one of the downsides to Apple Photos is that there aren't a lot of fonts to choose from. But one font that I do like and use often is Georgia. Once you're done choosing a font, arrange and size your text accordingly. Because I'm using a photo on my laptop as a thumbnail, I'm going to try to fit my text on the laptop screen. Usually, I like to keep the colors in my thumbnail relatively minimal, but because there isn't much going on in this photo, I'm going to change the color of each of my words to match the colorful highlighters I have in the background. We are finally finished, but if you want, you can do more with the marker pen feature and add more decorations like arrows, asterisk stars, and handwritten text like I did in my Get Ready With Me thumbnail. Now, if you want to elevate your thumbnails even more, you can use Canva. I used both the photo app and Canva to create what you see here. You can make a lot of things on Canva such as resumes, posters, social media posts, etc. using their templates. But today we are going to search for the YouTube thumbnail template. There are a lot of templates to choose from, but for ours we are going to choose the first one. To add your edited photo, click Uploads, then Upload Media, and adjust your photo to fit the 1280 by 720 frame. To add a PNG like I did here, do the same thing. I found my PNGs off of Google. If you can't find any PNGs for what you want specifically, you can always convert a photo into PNG format using a converter, which is usually free. To add text, click Text. You can either click Add a Heading or choose from one of the free font templates down below. I used the template. To make that ever so popular wavy text and 3D effect, write your text, then click Effects, and then Curve. You can adjust the angle of the curve using a slider. Do this with the rest of your words. To make a 3D effect, it's really simple. Just copy and paste your original text, change the color, adjust the size, and position your copied text to the bottom. When you're satisfied with your thumbnail, click download and finally we are finished. This is the thumbnail made with just the photo app, and this is the thumbnail made with both the photo app and Canva. I really hope you found this video helpful. As always, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. It would really help my small channel out a lot.